go. That's our bus. So we just discovered that there's music at this fountain too at Plaza Catalunya, but I can't imagine it's as good as the one we saw that we thought was going to be ridiculous, and we had really low expectations for at the magic fountain in Montjuic. I always get my swimwear from this place. We're gonna give this place another try. We're either missing something or that place is still closed. So, onto the market. Not bad. This is what rain looks like. So we do actually have another destination in mind. We're just sort of waiting out the worst of the storm, I hope. We're almost there, wherever it is we're going.
Okay. Okay. It's International Cat Day!
What a coincidence! My shoes are completely soaked. Originally we were planning to go to Montserrat today, but neither of us feel like it, so instead we're gonna do whatever we want. It's supposed to be mostly sunny today, but those clouds behind us over the water do not look
Sunny.
No.
Well, we stumbled upon a bakery called Yellow Bakery, and it was really good. It's run by a woman from Australia who had traveled the world for 4 years, and then they ended up here for now, and they have a bakery. The niche that she saw was missing here was good bakery, which I kind of agree with her. Anyway, and hers was really good. So it was a good find.
Trying to get a sense of scale. How big are these boats? Because it's all big boats next to big boats. This gives you a hint, I suppose. The hose crew. They're not hosing anymore, but they were a minute ago. How'd you like to be the guy who scrubs from the window ledge? And when you thought you'd seen all the big boats, you see this cruise ship. Oh. So, do you want to say where we are?
It's 100 something Montaditos, which is mini sandwiches, is that what that means?
Yeah,
And they have all kinds of different stuff, and you pick the ones that you want, and then they tell you the total. And you get them all?
That's right. And I'm glad I knew about how this place works before we came here, because our table did not have a pen or one of these, which is where you actually fill out your order. You have all the choices in here, you write them down here, say how many you want, what the number of the sandwich is, take it in, they type it up, charge you, and then they make your sandwiches. Dinner is served.
Thank you.
I hope you remember what you asked for.
What am I supposed to have?
For €1, these are pretty reasonable. Well, that was fun. I feel a little overloaded on bread though.
I know.
Like, there's a lot of bread to everything else ratio.
True.
Another beautiful day in Barcelona. Do you know where the police have been as all the blanket salesmen go by? modern tumbleweed. Tumbleweed for the modern day. Viewers, catch you up. We're taking the opportunity to go visit the bunkers, which are at the top of the hill on the same road that our apartment's been on. We happen to choose the evening. The bus drivers are on strike.